Have very important updates such as the claiming of the Aster Season 2, the spot listing on Binance. So if you do like it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel down below, and we jump straight into the laptop. First thing first though, as we see here, we have the Aster spike. This is because they have announced their listing on Binance today as recording this video. And two things. First of all, make sure to go and trade over on Pacifica. Pacifica is the Solana-based perpetual DEX, and looking at the volume, it is the number 7. So editing the video now, but I do want to tell you that I do have a Telegram community over here to come and join me. It is free to go and join. The link will be down below. And as you see, we do post all the technical analysis of everything Solana, Link, AVAX, Ethereum, XRP, Doge, etc. So come and join. The link is down below, free to join. We are nearly at 300 members, so super nice. So yeah, come and join. Do not go and farm the first 5. They are super over farmed in my opinion. But we do have Pacifica, which has over 1 billion in 24-hour volume, which is absolutely great. And it is still a closed beta. They got like 20,000 followers on Twitter. So you're still super early. Link down below. As we see here, we do have a point system. And to go and be eligible for the point, they have one mechanism to go and eliminate bots and, you know, a little bit of nonsense trading. You need to have a daily volume of $10,000, which is super easy to go and do. You simply open a $200 50x position every day, try to get $1 or $2 profit to cover the fees, and you are good to go. So also, for example, all of this over on my referrals, all the people here that are trading with me, thank you very much for your support, but all of this volume here needs to be above 10,000. All of these people will not be eligible. As you see here, fees earned, but no points. So make sure to go and trade above 10,000. All of these people will be eligible, as we see here, starting to get the points. So very important. Go and trade on Pacifica, Solana based. Super interesting. Number 7 with over $1 billion in volume. And another one, which by the way, I will leave you there's limited code down below. So make sure to go and join. The other one, as we see here, we got GRVT. Now, GRVT is gravity, and it has about 700 million 24 hours volume. We've seen this one in the past. Now, they have taken out KYC, so no more KYC needed for this one. Make sure to go and trade as well here. We go trade, hold open interest in terms of altcoin position, longs or short, provide liquidity, deposit, earn points on liquidation. So liquidation gets you the point for this airdrop. And as we see here, we already have the GRVT airdrop voice, and you already have an overall ranking as well as a point system. So make sure to go and do it, because they haven't said anything in terms of like airdrop is gonna come in October or November. So there is still time. I believe it's gonna come in December potentially. So there is still time to go and do this. And as you see here, to only go and deposit right here, you connect the wallet and you deposit from Arbitrum. If you want the Solana base, just like Pacifica, you deposit from a Phantom wallet, just like this one. So super easy to go and trade. You come here, you trade all the pairs that you want. As we see with Bitcoins, for example, we got leverage up to 50x. Nice interface, super nice. And simply looking at DeFi Llama, they are so underfarmed. Like, we all know Lighter and Hyperliquid and whatever you want, and Aster as well, which we're going to be talking about in just a second. But Pacifica and GRVT, they are the one that, in my opinion, are going to be so underfarmed that you will get a lot of points, but easily they can launch with this 24-hour volume at about $1 billion market cap. So I do expect it to be about $1 or $2 per token for both of them. So make sure to go and trade them. I'm already trading here on Pacifica. I'm already trading here on Gravity. Super easy. Pacifica is Solana based. Gravity is over depositing from any address from your MetaMask wallet. The one that I would pick between the two, potentially Pacifica. If you have to pick one and you only got money for one, make sure to pick on Pacifica. In my opinion, it is the one that has the better choice to be super lucrative for all of you, and it is still on a closed beta, while GRVT is kind of mainstream, but it is super underfarmed. If you have, let's say, $500, I would put 250 on Pacifica and 250 on Gravity and go and trade. You will find both linked down below, as well as Gravity. They have raised $19 million in a Series A funded by JK Sync, Further, Eigen Cloud, and 500 as well. So super nice. You can go and find these documents on their webpage. And they have backing, they have funding, they have something that they're really building consistently with it. So make sure to go and trade on Pacifica. Make sure to go and trade on Gravity. It is important. And as we see here, I did open a Aster long on Pacifica at 2.9 cents before the whole DeFi drama. And now, I mean, I would have loved to just wait it a bit and would have opened it like here the long at 170, 180, but it is what it is. At least I'm not getting liquidated as it looks like right now. It doesn't seem to get a liquidation. Hopefully, we're gonna see the $3 to $4 mark with the Binance listing. But talking about Aster, we are right here. Now, the Aster link will be down below. You're able to go and join already. And as we see here, if we go to the rewards, we got a new point system. This means that the stage 3 is now live. So you can go and still trade there. And by the way, you're talking, oh, one airdrop, two airdrop. Guys, the tokenomics is a 53.5% goes to airdrops and community. Like, we got potentially what, 20-30% on the first airdrop, 4% on the second one. We still have about 15 to 20% airdrop allocation for the next season. So yes, it will be massive. The link will be down below. There are a few key changes for this one. And what are they? Well, as we see over here, the stage 2, I will also leave you a community build calculator down below that you can go and put, for example, all the tokens that you got on each epoch, and it will calculate more or less the amount of, token that you have in terms of the RH and all of that. So I will leave you that down below to go and check how much you earn, how many tokens you received, how much money your airdrop is going to be worth when you're able to go and claim in the coming days. And the claiming, by the way, for the season 2 airdrop is going to happen in app. It's not going to be a link to go and download. There's not going to be a Twitter link that you find your KOLs posting. It's going to be here on the webpage, just like here, airdrop. You were able to go and claim the airdrop just like here. So that's how the claim is going to work. It's not going to be any links, but we do have a point system for the round 3. Now, what is important about the round 3? Well, take a look at this one. When we go to the RH points or the round 3, we got the trading points right here. We got the position, they got the profit and losses point, team boost, which is already 1.5% mine. So you will get 50% more airdrop if you join my team, or you already joined my team. You will get 50% more. Thank you very much for your support, and you're welcome for the team that we're building, which is absolutely amazing. And one important thing is that the trading is the higher your trading volume on Aster Perpetual and the spot, the more RH point will count. Now, will it count also the spot that we had in the past? Because I do have some spot over here on the Aster that I do hold for myself. I think so, yes. It will count towards the airdrop again because they will reward their users. But this is how it's going to work. It's going to be perpetual, it's going to be trading, it's going to be spot, it's going to be everything that you need, their thing, profit and loss. So just like Gravity over here, which, as I said, go and join if you haven't done it. You will thank me later. It's useless to go and chase airdrops that have 500,000 people trying to farm it. It's way better to go and chase airdrop just like Gravity or Pacifica, which has so little people to go. And I'm ranked 400 on Pacifica, and I don't do that much trading. As you see, I got 300,000. I'm ranked for, here we got the leaderboard, about 400, 500. So super easy to go Pacifica, super easy to earn the Gravity as well. So make sure to go and do it. But the RH point for the season 3 of Aster, they are live. It's already starting. So if you are going to trade, you're already starting to earn the points right now. You will have team boost, you will have profit and loss points as well, only on perpetual though, the profit and loss, because you cannot really get a loss unless you sell at your own choice over on spot. They're holding USDF and SBNB point scores, position point score as well, only for perpetual, large or longer. And the trading one, that happens both for perpetual and spot. So that is how it is going to happen on the season 3. But the claiming of the airdrop is not going to be this one. This is a community build calculator. As I said, the claiming of the airdrop will happen in app right here for you to go and be able to do it. Now, make sure to keep on trading. There could be some criteria, like at least, 10,000 worth of trading in the season 3 to be able to claim the season 2, so that you're basically not a bot or not a fake person or somebody just trying. That they could potentially try and avoid that because they don't really want bots trading. But if you want to trade, have your money on Aster, absolutely yes, keep on trading over there. Come over to Pacifica if you got money, and if you can, but I would suggest you come also over to Gravity because it is really important. And this one, as we see here from the DeFi Llama, we're farming number 7 and number 8 of the list with over $1 billion in 24-hour volume, which is absolutely gorgeous to see. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. And by the way, just to let you know, if you need anything, I will also leave you the link down below to go and bridge your token in case you want to send them, for example, from Gravity. You will send them from Base to Arbitrum or from Arbitrum to Solana. We'll leave you the Owelto link down below. It is a bridge as well. So make sure to go and trade over there as well. Super easy. Not trade, sorry. Bridge over there. Got a bit of a hiccup. And make sure to do your bridges with Owelto. So with that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. I will see you later today or tonight or tomorrow, depending on what's the news, because I try to take you, as you saw, 2 videos a day because I do really support you. And I want to thank you immensely for your help, for your support, and for the recent growth of the channel. So thank you very much for it. I'm really, really grateful. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.